it's a good idea to come up with some ideas before we get started on a bigger project. So what we're going to do in this video is come up with a way to generate more ideas using something called an idea map. So how this works is you're going to start with a word. For this example, I'm going to be using our project, the Living Technology Morph. So I'm going to start with my word living at the center of my map. And from there, I'm going to branch out into 5 different and unique ideas using words or ideas or anything that can be related to the word in the center here. So if I think of living things, one I can think of is an animal, another being a type of plant, perhaps a tree more specifically. Another thing I can think of in terms of living would be something that has a heart. When I think of living, I can think of something that has breath. So this first level of branches really gives us a wide range of different ideas that are all linked to our central topic. Now once more, we're going to take each of these topics and split them up again into 3 more branching ideas. Now these next level of branches don't have to specifically relate to our central topic, but they have to relate to whatever they are connected to. So for example, an animal, I could think of a type of animal specifically. So there's a bear. Another type of animal I think of is shark. But something else that's related to animals are animal tracks. Now these aren't specifically linked directly to a living thing. However, they are directly related to animals. So we're going to repeat this process for each of our remaining subtopics. Okay, so now we have a third layer to our idea map. This gives us an even wider range of ideas that we can pull from to use in our project. But we're going to push it further just once more. So now off of each of these bubbles, go ahead and add 2 more branches to each of these smaller bubbles.
What's wrong with me? I think you're crazy. Want a second opinion? You're all so lazy.
And so this is going to complete our final grouping of all of our ideas. As you can see, I tried to keep them all as unique as possible. There is 1 or 2 that may repeat, but I was trying to go with the first thing that popped into my mind whenever I thought of one of these ideas. So now when we go into one of our bigger projects, we can use any one of these words in order to help us come up with new and unique ideas that we may not have thought of beforehand. You're going to be using this method of brainstorming for that Living Technology Morph project coming up, but you can also use this in any project that you have in the future. So go ahead and give it a try. You just start with 1 central topic, branch it out into 5 smaller subtopics, and from there you can keep going as much as you want. And for each group, I recommend trying to think outside the box. Sometimes these ideas will come out of nowhere, but in the end, they might lead to a much more fun and interesting project. Alright, so that's going to conclude it for this video. I'll see you next time.